Xiaomi is not wasting time with its Black Shark brand focused on games. Almost a year later, his successor has been fully revealed as the Black Shark 2. It has all the specifications you would expect for a phone that aims to offer a solid mobile gaming experience. The Snapdragon 855 processor from Qualcomm, plus a large 4000 mAh battery with support for 27W fast charge. Also included is a steam chamber for a liquid cooling system, 6 to 12 GB of RAM and 128 to 256 GB of internal storage. The front of the Black Shark 2 is an AMOLED screen made by Samsung of 6.39 inches. While that sounds pretty good on its own, Xiaomi is doing a couple of things to ensure it's optimal for the games. In addition to reducing screen flicker to low brightness levels, greater color accuracy and a touch latency as low as 43.5 milliseconds, Xiaomi also created a pressure-sensitive system that allows you to assign buttons to the left and right of the screen that will then be activated by pressing harder on that part of the screen. Other features of the Black Shark 2 include a fingerprint sensor on the screen, dual 48MP plus 12MP rear cameras, 20MP selfie camera and optional accessories that can be connected to the phone.